Hey, Joseph from Magic Touch. Today, I'm going to show you one of my favorite promotional papers, the Tattoo 2.1. Now, the Tattoo 2.1 is a promotional paper. You can use it for promotional ideas, sporting events, marketing ideas. It's a very inexpensive paper that brings out very huge margins for you, okay? So I'm going to show you how it works. The box of Tattoo comes with 25 sheets that you print on and 25 adhesive sheets, okay? So you're going to use your white toner laser printer to print on a tattoo paper. And then every box has an adhesive sheet. You're going to remove the film off the adhesive sheet, lay it down, glue side up, and then you're going to grab your tattoo and place it glue side on the image, glue side down, okay? So, next, what you're going to need is a squeegee, and this squeegee out all of the air bubbles, okay? Now, if you don't have a squeegee, a credit card or something flat, just as long as you get a nice firm pressure to take out all the air bubbles. Next, grab some scissors, cut around the logo. Now you want to cut as close as you possibly can, that way you can remove all the film, you don't see excess film on your skin. So, once you cut close around the logo, you have your image, and then all you need next is some water, paper napkin. Now, to apply the tattoo, you still have that film or adhesive on it. You take it off, just like this, and you place it on your arm, or face, or back, anywhere. You grab paper towel, wet it, and then just gently dab it onto the tattoo. Now, it's going to take roughly about 2 to 3 dabs before the paper just smooths right off. As you can see, it's coming right off. Next, you get the dry side of that napkin and just dab it right off. And there you have it. Temporary tattoo. If you have any questions, please give us a call or visit us at www.themagictouchusa.com. Thank you.